Okay, page number 2. See, you have EVS test on my body. See, you have EVS test on my body on Saturday. You have test on Saturday. మీకు సాటర్డే టెస్ట్ ఉంటుందమ్మా. ఆన్ విచ్ టాపిక్? బాడీ పార్ట్స్. ఓకే, బాడీ పార్ట్స్. అవర్ టాపిక్ నేమ్ ఈస్ బాడీ పార్ట్స్. Body parts. Okay, all of you note down this body parts. Okay, this is your topic for test. Every Saturday you have test. Yesterday Faiza madam already told you have test on Telugu and you have test on EVS also. Okay, last week we completed English RT. This week we are going to conduct the test on body parts. Body parts. Okay, once all of you note down these words. Okay, the first one is teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. And the second one, arm. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. Okay, the third one is ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. The third one is E-A-R, ear. And the fourth one, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. And the fifth one, F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. And the sixth one, E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. See, these are the body parts. Okay, you have test on these body parts. Okay, all of you be ready. Okay, and the next one, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. And the next one, H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. Okay, and the next one, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. And the next one, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And the next one is N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. Teeth, arm, ear, leg, foot, eyes. Okay. Sorry ma, I read the food spelling 2 times. Okay, total 10 spellings. You have total 10 spellings. Okay. You must and should read these 10 spellings very well. Okay. Once all of you revise with me. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. A-R-M, arm. A-R-M, arm. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. And the next one, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. And the next one is neck. N-E-C-K, neck. N-E-C-K, neck. And the next one is hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. And the next one, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. And O-S-E, nose. See children, read this. All body parts for test. You have test on Saturday. All of you open English workbook, page number 42. See children, I hope you all note these words for test. Okay, మీరందరూ ఇవి నోట్ చేసుకున్నారు కదమ్మా. Okay, you have to read every day. You have to read every day. నేను చెప్పేస్తున్నాను. Okay, now all of you open your English workbooks. If you open your English workbooks, page number 42. Page number 42. Page number 42. All of you open your English workbook, page number 42. Again see. Look at the pictures. Look at the pictures. And complete the sentences. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Look at the pictures and complete the sentence. Just see. Don't talk. L-E-G, leg. See? L-E-G, leg. And see? What is this? Hand. H-A-N-D, hand. H-A-N-D, hand. And see this? Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. And see here, what is this? The black color of the top of the head is called hair. See this one, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. And see this one, what is this? Yes, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. And the next one, ear. E-A-R-S, ears. Okay children, these are the 10 body parts. You have test on these 10 body parts. All of you read well. Okay, today's EVS homework is read and write body parts names 3 times. Read and write body parts names 3 times. Okay, all of you, you have textbook. See, you have textbook. In the textbook you have this body parts. Page number 2. Page number 2 లో మీకు body parts అన్ని ఉన్నాయమ్మా. ఓకేనా? ఎవరికైతే బుక్స్ లేవో నేను వాళ్ళ కోసం రాసాను ఇవి. ఓకే, those who have no books, you can see the board and write. ఓకే, ఎవరికైతే బుక్స్ లేవో వాళ్ళు బోర్డ్ పైన చూసి. ఓకే, పేజ్ నెంబర్ 35. All of you open EVS textbook, page number 35. all of you open page number 35. Okay children, see, today we are going to learn animal babies. Animal babies. See, animal babies means you all are the babies of your parents. మీరందరూ ఎలా చిన్ని పిల్లలో, ఓకేనా? See, like that animals also have small babies. Animals also have small babies. Means babies అంటే ఏంటి? వాటి యొక్క పిల్లలు అన్నమాట. చూడండి, see, ఒక్కొక్క యానిమల్కి ఒక్కొక్క డిఫరెంట్ పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు. ఇక్కడ డిఫరెంట్ బేబీ ఉంది, చూసారా? See, this is the cow. See, cow have baby. This is the dog. The dog has baby. This is the cat. The cat has baby. And see here, this is the sheep. The sheep has baby. And this is the goat. The goat also have small baby. And see, this is the horse. And this is the baby of the horse. And this is the lion. And this is the baby of the lion. And this is the hen. And this is the baby of the hen. And this is the pig. And this is the baby of the pig. And this is the kangaroo. And this is the baby of the kangaroo. And this is the rabbit. And this is the baby of the rabbit. And this is the duck. And this is the baby of the duck. See, like that we have parents. Like that animals also have parents. మనకి మమ్మీ డాడీ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? సేమ్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే, animals also have parents. Okay, see, these are the small animals, small babies. Okay, you are the baby to your mother. Like that some animals also have mothers. Okay, in this class now, see, different animals have different names. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మనకి డిఫరెంట్ నేమ్స్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి, అలానే సేమ్ కౌ యొక్క బేబీకి ఒక నేమ్ ఉంది.